Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video or unpackaging video to share with you guys. This was sent by Divo Knives, so I'm very interested to get in there and see what he's got. I think I know what it is, but we're going to find out together. I will link any and all information that I can find right under this video as soon as I'm done recording it. So you guys can go ahead and check this out if you want to. This will go back, to my knowledge, this is not meant for me to keep. Excuse me, this will go back to Divo Knives as soon as I'm done. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up here. And what do we have? What do we have? We have... Everybody's gotten really good at making sure that the packaging is able to, hang on to everything. And we have candy! Thank you, I appreciate that. And let's see here. There's a sticker. There's a sticker, Divo Knives. Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram. And Lefty, that is Lefty EDC to my understanding. All right. Yeah. Divo Knives Pony Stout. Hey, MC, thanks for taking a look at one of our upcoming models, the Pony Stout. This will be a White Mountain Knives exclusive release set for April 2023. And will come in blue micarta and black G10 with either a stonewashed or blackwashed 14Z28 end blade. 4 options total. And then there's some stats there. This is manufactured by QSP. So make sure that everybody understands that, right? This is manufactured by QSP in China. This is information that is readily available for everybody to know, right? So there we go. And then here we go. That is Kev at Lefty EDC, and then also he's got a secondary account, Divo Knives. Make sure you follow both. Let's see. Yep. Appreciate feedback. I will give it to you, I promise. All right, so here we go. We have the Pony Stout. Very much reminiscent of a few different models that I have handled, but you know what? It works. Nice and short. We have. I appreciate the. This is blackwash, but it's a little bit finer. I don't like, I'm not going to say who said this, but there's a gentleman who I very much, love and respect in this community, and he refers to a lot of the blackwash that we see as blemwash, which is a really funny way of describing that, because sometimes it's like, well, we can't get the other finishes right, so if we just blackwash it, it kind of hides it. This is not that. This is a little bit finer and looks a little bit better. Absolutely. Is this actually a factory edge? No, come on now. Is this the factory edge? Is this what we're planning the factory edge to be like? Because this has got like a mirror edge on it, right? I mean, I'd be extremely impressed if this is legitimately the edge that comes on these production models, right? But as it currently sits, this thing is probably a laser beam. Yeah, this is extremely sharp. We have what feels like, yeah, that thing is pretty ready to bite, right? This feels like a fairly aggressive hollow grind. Yeah. And then we have a nice, I'm almost certain, just given the fact that we've, sharpened back here just a little bit, that this is not a, maybe he actually said that in the, keep this prototype and do whatever you like with it. Oh, okay, cool. Well, awesome. I'm going to guess that edge was done after the fact. But I do like the length, and I like the blade profile for doing things like this, which is what I do with my knives all the time. That's part of the reason why I enjoy the shark's foot blade so much, is just because of this general position right here, which reminds me a lot. It's not exactly the same thing, but it does remind me a lot of the Demco 80 20.5, just a little bit shorter. We have a nice straight profile here with some contouring. We have a recessed steel liner lock, and they have carved it out in the front to make it easy to access, right? Action is very good. It feels typical QSP. We have The wire clip, which is not my favorite shape, and it kind of goes neat, you know, but that's okay. It'll work. Nice smooth surface. This is a nice color combination, the blue and the black here. And then I think he said 14C28N, which is probably the right choice. He did call this a budget option. I understand everybody has a different definition of budget, but if they actually keep it in that territory, right, the territory that I kind of define as budget, then I'm going to be really happy. This is nice. This is definitely a good, and I've realized the reason that I'm saying, oh my God, I'm so dumb. The reason I'm like, yeah, I've definitely handled something like this before is because they sent me the, I'm pretty sure they sent me the premium prototype at some point. I have so much knife information bouncing around in my head. Sometimes I say stupid things. So sorry about that, Divo Knives. Is my fault. Right. This is very cool, and you can absolutely expect a full comprehensive review. And then I will probably do, I'll probably do a giveaway on this knife at some point. Yeah, like I said, information on this knife and the release date and all of that. If I need to link to, what did he say? Did he say White Mountain or Smoky Mountain? I always mix those up. White Mountain Knives. I will link to White Mountain Knives. I have no affiliate links with them at all, but they're a great retailer, and I periodically shop with them, so I have no problem linking them down below if that's where we need to go. I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Thanks again. It was very generous of you to donate this prototype to the channel. You can expect the full comprehensive review here in just a few weeks. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.